where science gives the structure, art gives the soul.
Yeah,
And data science
that's both.
made whole.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's take a journey where the numbers learn to sing, where data science is the magic that the answers bring. A beautiful fusion where the math and logic meet, and it needs the soul of art to make the melody complete. See, folk science is objective, a calm and steady glass. It leans on peer review to let the proof and verdict pass. Repeat it once, repeat it twice, the outcome stays the same. A straight and structured staircase built on evidence and aim. Now flip the coin to where feelings steal the stage, a deeply personal reflection painted on the page. Art lives in the subjective, full of passion, full of heart. It's not a straight and narrow line, it's a circle from the start. It's the meaning and the beauty, imagination flying free. A canvas where the truth depends on what you choose to see. When science brings the structure and the art provides the grace, data science builds a bridge between the logic and space.
It's the science of the logic, it's the beauty of the chart. The numbers tell the story, but interpreting, that's the art. Yeah, the numbers tell the story, but interpreting, that's the art. Now let's zoom into the canvas, to the colors that we mix. We call them points on mathematical bricks. A single observation, just a whisper in the breeze, but gather enough whispers and you'll hear them speak with ease. When you face a sea of numbers and you don't know what to do, you need a way to summarize, a compass to guide you through. They call it central tendency, a heavy sounding name for one single number that can summarize the whole game.
Instead of drowning in a million trying to comprehend, you find a center, a reliable story, a reliable, steady friend.
There are three easy pathways to find the center of the crowd. First up is the mode, the one that speaks out loud. It's the number showing up the most of popular terrain, easiest to spot when you go scanning through the chain. Next we meet the meaty in the middle of the street, just in the middle of the street, just in the middle of the street, just in the middle of. Line your numbers up in order, nice and very neat. Walk right into the center where the half split clean into. That middle point is waiting there to balance out the view. Last we have the mean, the classic average call. You add up every single piece, the heavy and the small, divided by the count. You've got a balance and act of grace to land on one smooth number that represents the space.
It's the science of the logic. It's the beauty of the chart. The numbers tell the story, but interpreting, that's the art. Yeah, the numbers tell the story, but interpreting, that's the art. But hold on, wait.
But hold on, wait a minute, what if wild numbers roam? An outlier rogue extreme that wandered far from home. If an outlier drops in, the average falls apart. It pulls the number way off track and breaks the data's heart. So when the outliers are lurking and the data starts to skew, you treat it, or the median is the safest thing to do. The median is stubborn, it won't be pushed around. It keeps you safely anchored when the wild extremes abound. And when your data's qualitative, traits you cannot add. The most steps in to save the day and keep things from going bad. Now the number is fast and simple, the quickest of the three, but it carries a small problem that is plain for us to see. What if no number repeats? What if everything stands alone? Or what if there are multiple modes fighting for the throne? With the tie across the board, the mode just fades away, leaving you without a center stage to guide the play.
Pick your measure wisely, don't let the numbers get abused. Let the context be the reason why a certain tool is used. It's the science of the logic, it's the beauty of the chart. The numbers tell the story, but interpreting, that's the art.
Yeah, the numbers tell the story.
That's the art.
Yeah, the numbers tell the story.
That's the art.
Mode, median, mean. Three paths, one truth.
Data science, where the numbers meet the soul.